Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, today we will discuss respiration in organisms, which is in class 7th science. Respiration. What is respiration? Dear students, this is a vital life process. Likewise, there is digestion, nutrition, circulation, excretion. These are some life processes. Similarly, respiration is also one of the vital life process. What is respiration? Respiration is the breakdown of food, the breakdown of glucose into carbon dioxide and water with release of energy. Breakdown of glucose into carbon dioxide and water with release of energy. This breakdown of glucose take place in two ways: in presence of oxygen and in absence of oxygen. When this breakdown of glucose took place in presence of oxygen with release of carbon dioxide and water and energy, this type of respiration is called aerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration goes so: yeli glucose breakdown gژھِ carbon dioxide منٛز waterس منٛز بیٚیہِ نیرِ اَتہِ energy in presence of oxygen. एक reaction چھِ دِتھ تۄہہِ برونٛہہ کَنۍ C6H12O6 یہِ گٔے فارمولا glucose plus 6 times oxygen gives 6 times carbon dioxide plus 6 times H2O water plus energy. So this is the reaction of aerobic respiration. Now dear students, there are some yeasts which do respiration in absence of oxygen. We call these yeasts as anaerobes, and their mode of respiration is called anaerobic respiration. They break down the glucose into alcohol plus carbon dioxide with release of energy in absence of oxygen. So when there is breakdown of food into alcohol and carbon dioxide with release of energy in absence of oxygen, we call such type of respiration as anaerobic respiration. So you might have understood that there are two types of respiration: aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic is which took place in presence of oxygen, and anaerobic, while the breakdown is in absence of oxygen. Dear students, we have the confusion between respiration and breathing. Breathing is a sort of mechanical process where there is inhalation of oxygen and exhalation of carbon dioxide. So we take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. This is simply breathing. Okay, respiration is the breakdown of glucose into carbon dioxide and water with release of energy in presence or absence of oxygen. That is different case. That these are the types of respiration, but the respiration is breakdown of glucose into carbon dioxide and water with release of energy, while as breathing is simply the intake of oxygen and giving out of carbon dioxide. Dear students, sometimes in our muscle cells there is anaerobic respiration. In our muscle cells, there is anaerobic respiration. When we do any hard task like cycling, exercise, running fast, walking for many hours, okay, we need lot of energy. So to get lot of energy, the oxygen demand is not fulfilled. So the muscles produce the energy anaerobically. So the glucose is broken down in absence of oxygen into lactic acids, lactic acid plus energy. Glucose is broken down in absence of oxygen into lactic acid with release of energy. So in our muscle cells, when there is demand of energy and shortage of oxygen, our muscle cells respire, do respiration in absence of oxygen with production of lactic acid and energy. So this lactic acid it develops cramps. تۄہہِ تر بہٕ کٲشِر پٲٹھۍ بَچو سَمجھ گوٚو ییٚمہِ ساتہٕ أسۍ کانٛہہ ہیوی ایٚگزرسایز کانٛہہ ہیوی کانٛہہ کٲم کران چھِ مِثال کے طور پر سایکلِنگ واکِنگ رننگ گوٚو یُس سانہِ یِم مسلز چھِ اَتھ چھِ ایٚنرجی ہٕنٛز آسان ضوٚرتھ چوٗنٛکہِ آکسیجن چھِنہٕ أسۍ تیوٗت ہٮ۪کان تَمہِ ساتہٕ اِستعمال کٔرِتھ کینٛہہ تیوٗت چھِنہٕ ہٮ۪کان أسۍ یِمن دِتھ کینٛہہ یہِ ہیٚکہِ ایٚرابِکلی اَتھ برٛیک ڈاوُن کٔرِتھ اِسلیے چھِ سانٮ۪ن مسل سیلن منٛز اِن ایٚرابِک ریسپریشن گژھان یہِ گلوکوز چھُ گژھان برٛیک ڈاوُن لیکٹِک ایسِڈس منٛز with release of energy in absence of oxygen گوٚو یُس یہِ لیکٹِک ایسِڈ چھُ اَتہِ پرٛوڈوٗس گژھان اَمے سۭتۍ چھِ اَسہِ پَتہٕ کرٛیمپٕس گژھان یِمن مسلن منٛز اَسہِ چھِ باسان پَتہٕ پین so this is about respiration aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration inshallah we will continue this topic and we will discuss this topic in detail. This is the most important topic. We will discuss it in detail in rest of the videos. Biyu Khudaya Sawal. Assalamu alaikum.